This is Julia. Julia wears a smart pacemaker. It monitors and manages her heartbeat 24/7. With unbelievable efficiency, it learns, optimizes, and sends critical data to her doctor, and a secure network of scientists around the world researching heart disease. Imagine someone they don't trust getting control of it or stealing it, her data, the analytics, even its ability to function. Now imagine a much larger pacemaker, the one at the heart of your business, the one connecting your employees, customers, data, and devices. It has turned every business from auto and home to pharma and farming into tech companies. Augmate is building the next generation of device management because everything made in the future will be smart. From the floors we walk on, to the clothes on our backs, to the hundreds of smart devices that will be in your home. So more is on the way. More connectivity, more sensors, more data, more insights. The opportunity to save more than 30% of operational costs in your production facility and deliver an edge over competitors through intelligence. Yet with more good comes more bad, more privacy concerns, more software and security updates, more outside threats. Our open architecture platform is being built for smarter device management, with tools and technology to help you harness, manage, and leverage the power of the future of the Internet of Things. We have integrated new technologies like blockchain and distributed ledger, centralized control for ease of use, decentralized data flow for scale and security, and we are allowing companies to plug the Augmate Connect platform into other systems with our APIs. Workers from around the world use wearable devices managed by Augmate, like smart glasses on factory floors, permissioned to execute individual tasks more efficiently. In logistics, Augmate is being used to enable new workers to achieve equal efficiency to those with years of experience. Remote workers are leveraging support staff from thousands of miles away with secure See What I See assistance, solving complicated problems in real time. Tomorrow, we will integrate all devices from coffee machines to industrial turbines, and yes, even pacemakers. While some see the future of IoT as chaos, we see opportunity. Let's make the more that's on the way more secure, more connected, more autonomous, more efficient, more profitable, more welcome.